So continuing the previous video, because I created the nut first, so I'm going to create the bolt. So this is the bolt. New sketch. 50, so it's 100. And then feature. Extruded. Put 20. 30 is better. Okay. Right. The length is 30. So I have to create a new plane for the next part. So because I want it to be on the bottom, so I moved it like that. But if then from plane 1, create a new sketch. So earlier, this bolt actually 20 radius, so it's 40. Right, sketch, because it's M40. So I put 20. Okay. For instance, 200. Okay. Like earlier. This edge, choose the edge, because this is 200. Put it all the way. So this is all the way. And then okay. Okay, the message says use extruded thread, so I have to re-click this. See, this is done now. Okay, this is changing the shape. Yeah, and then I feel like this cool now. Plane, put it on 0. Oh, frozen. And then extruded cut is not 200. So this one, this sketch, this is a bit slow. So click it on the other side, but shorter, because it's only 50, but I want to cut it here. So let's say 30 or 20, maybe 30 is better. Just feel like the edges of this. And more fillet in this corner, or 2.5 actually. That's it. This is how you make a bolt. You see, this is like how it shows.